Come, let's look at this JAMB past question, biology 2018, question number 13. Physiological adaptation to very dry conditions in animals demonstrates A. Xeromorphism, B. Hibernation, C. Aestivation, D. Rejuvenation. Now, for us to be able to understand these very well, we need to note the definition of the various terms used here. So from what we have here, we can see the first term here is xeromorphism. This xeromorphism is frequently associated with the loss of leaves and their replacement with photosynthetic branches, such as cladophiles or thorns. So this has to do with loss of leaves. So this is actually associated with plants, mostly loss of leaves and their replacement, though it is also done during dry conditions, mostly during dry conditions. Now we look at hibernation. Hibernation is actually dormancy of animal. This one has to do with animal. So it's a state of animal dormancy taking place around the winter period due to coldness. State of animal dormancy. So when we say dormancy, we mean when normal activity is not happening inside the body. There is low metabolic activity inside the body of the organism. So state of animal dormancy that happens mostly during winter, during cold conditions. So it's good we take note when this happens. Then Aestivation is also state of dormancy or adaptation, but this time around during hot seasons. So state of animal dormancy, which is a form of adaptation that happens during summer or in very dry conditions for animal too. And you see that we are talking about animal here. So xeromorphism is not very close to what we are saying, though it happens in dry condition. But this aestivation is the physiological adaptation to a very dry condition in animals. Then the animals we talk about, like animals like desert rattlesnake, they have such adaptation, aestivation, desert rattlesnake. And you talk about scorpions too. Scorpions. Now rejuvenation is when something is recuperating, so it's not very close to this. So the right option is option C. A also happens in dry condition, but it's mostly for plants. Loss of leaves is a form of adaptation for them, but aestivation is very close to the definition that we have here, that is physiological adaptation to a very dry condition in animal. Thank you.